Hey folks, welcome back to this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover suspended account on Monopoly Go. For that, you need to launch your Monopoly Go application and then tap on these three horizontal lines in the top right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, select settings, and in the settings, you need to select the customer service option. After that, you will be landed on the customer service page of Monopoly Go. Over here, you will notice that once you land on this page, you won't be able to see any of the options that could help you to contact with the customer support team of Monopoly Go. Instead, you will be able to see various types of articles over here in order to troubleshoot your problem. But you just have to tap on any of the articles, and after that, you just have to scroll down and keep on scrolling down until you find this Contact Us option. Once you are able to find it, you just have to simply tap on it, and then you just have to send hi and initiate the conversation. After that, in the message, you just have to type that your account is suspended and you want to recover your account. Then you just have to provide some of your account related details if they ask you to do so. After that, you will be able to recover your suspended account on Monopoly Go. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.